Hello everyone, welcome to Quizy Nation. 15 flags, 10 seconds each, 1 point per flag. Let's play. Which country do you think this flag from? South Korea, Japan, Saudi Arabia? South Korea. Can you identify the country from this flag? China, Japan, South Korea? Japan. Guess the country that uses this flag. Bangladesh, Pakistan, India. India. Which Asian country's flag is this? China, Taiwan, Vietnam? China. This flag with Arabic text and the sword belongs to Iran, Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia. Identify the red and white flag. Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore. Indonesia. Which country flies this tricolor flag? Thailand, Cambodia, Laos. Thailand. The green and white flag with the crescent is from Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Pakistan. This flag has a crescent moon and stripes. Whose is it? Malaysia, Philippines, Brunei. Malaysia. Which Southeast Asian nation uses this flag? Philippines, Myanmar, Thailand. Philippines. A red flag with a gold star belongs to which country? Vietnam, Laos. Vietnam. Which country has this green flag with red circle? Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. Whose flag is this with green, white, and red horizontal stripes and a symbol in the center? Iran, Iraq, Syria. Iran. This flag has red, green, white, and black colors. Which country is it? United Arab Emirates, Oman, Bahrain. UAE. A maroon flag with white zigzag edge belongs to Saudi Arabia. Qatar. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.